Ambient abuse refers to the use of behaviors, language, and actions that subtly undermine someone's well-being and sense of safety. Unlike other forms of abuse, ambient abuse isn't always overt and usually happens slowly, escalating in stages over an extended period of time. It slowly chips away at someone's confidence and autonomy, causing a sense of confusion and helplessness. It's created through gaslighting, put-downs, criticism disguised as jokes, withholding affection and or attention, silent treatments, isolation, manipulating your emotions such as guilt trips or inducing shame, stressful environments, victim playing, and blame shifting.